mega political slugfest has broken out after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said Constitution has been thousands of years old. BJP immediately jumped on this, slamming the Member of Parliament, who's also the leader of opposition, saying that he's always leaving the country shocked and speechless with abundance of knowledge. Saffron Party has gone all guns blazing over this comment, alleging that Rahul Gandhi is not a serious politician. They're accusing Congress of murdering democracy. Statements like this, they say, is a disgraceful dismissal of Baba Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's legacy, who's in many ways called the father of the Constitution. While speaking in Patna, Rahul Gandhi had stated that people tell him that the Constitution was written in 1947, but it's been there for thousands of years. It's thousands of years old. He lashed out at BJP-led government at the centre for undermining constitutional values of the country.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi has now got addicted to making a joke of himself on daily basis. Mr. Rahul Gandhi's own autobiography or biography will be called Failure to Launch. Under Rahul Gandhi's leadership, Congress has lost more than 55 elections, more than 400 Congress leaders have left in the Congress, but still Rahul Gandhi refuses to get launched. I think the book Failure to Launch by Rahul Gandhi will be circulated on public schools and university to teach kids how to accept responsibility and how not to be like Rahul Gandhi.
वह बोल रहे हैं कि उनके दिए हुए कई उनकी पार्टी के या अन्य पार्टी को दिए हुए कई सारे सुझाव इनकॉर्पोरेट भी किए गए हैं। उनको अधिकार है लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया के अंतर्गत वे जो कदम उठा सकते उठाएं, परंतु पार्लियामेंट के पास किए बिल को चैलेंज सड़क पर मत करें।
अब राहुल जी जो है वो पलायन की प्रपंच यात्रा कर रहे हैं, पलायन का पॉलिटिकल प्रोग्राम करने में लगे हुए हैं। अरे भैया, पलायन के पॉलिटिकल प्रोग्राम करने से बेहतर होगा कि आपकी पार्टी में जो पलायन की प्रतिस्पर्धा चल रही है उसको जो है वो आप कंट्रोल करिए। अन्यथा जो है वो आपकी अभी भी आज ज़मीन तो आपकी बंजर है, लेकिन आपके अंदर आज भी जो है वो अहंकार और अराजकता का खंजर आपके हाथों में है। और आप जो है वो धर्म की बात, आज धर्म और राजनीति को अलग करने की बात कर रहे हैं। वो पार्टी कर रही है जो कि 100 चूहे खा के और बिल्ली हज पे चली वाली स्थिति है उसकी।
The Congress party has killed the constitution, killed democracy in this country by amending several times, by imposing emergency, by dismissing the government, and these people speak about the constitution. If Rahul Gandhi ji writes a book on the lines of Mahatma Gandhi's book, My Experiment with Truth, then he must be naming it My Experiment as a Clown in Indian Politics. I think that should be the name he should be given. So that type of cheap criticism, cheap politics, I think Congress leaders should advise him to train him that how to speak and what to speak in such meetings.
I don't even know whether Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a serious politician at all. Some people achieve positions only by their surname, and under his leadership I can only see the decline of the Congress party. It is truly a matter of deep concern that the principal opposition party has at its leadership, has as its chief a non-serious politician.